In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign in Gmail in Microsoft account in Windows 10. To begin, make sure you are on the Microsoft sign-in page. This is the page Windows 10 and Microsoft services use when you need to connect an account, such as for Microsoft 365 or other apps that rely on a Microsoft login. When the page finishes loading, look for the sign-in option and select it to continue. This takes you to the main login screen where Microsoft asks for your account details. Next, click inside the field labeled email or phone number. This is where you enter the address you want to use to sign in. If you are signing in with a Gmail address, you will type your full Gmail email address here. Take a moment to enter it carefully, because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. Also, if you use more than one Google account, double-check that you are using the one you want connected on this Windows 10 device. Now type your Gmail address into the highlighted box. As you type, you should see the text appear in the field. After you finish entering the address, pause briefly to confirm it is correct and fully spelled out. If your keyboard layout is different than usual, or if caps lock is on, fix that before moving forward so the address is entered properly. After the email is in place, continue until you reach the confirmation prompt, and then click Yes. This confirms the choice and allows the sign-in process to proceed. Depending on your account settings, Microsoft may also ask you to verify your identity through additional prompts, but for this part of the process, selecting Yes is the key action to approve and move ahead. Once you have done that, your Gmail sign-in is submitted for your Microsoft account sign-in flow on Windows 10, and you can continue with any remaining on-screen prompts. And that is all there is to it.